Here at Pandit Excel, we believe in practical learning. Like all our courses, this course is centered on a real-world application, a professional data picker for Microsoft Excel. Every application or project is equipped with numerous problems or questions, so to say. These questions are not plain questions like those you can get from an examination board. They are implied questions. Only you, the programmer, must figure out what the application wants you to do first, next, and so on. So, you must solve all the problems the application is throwing at you one at a time until the application is usable to the user. Now, you might be asking yourself, why would you learn coding from a real-world application? Well, let me give you 4 reasons. Number 1, everything is practical. You learn the concept, then implement it to see what it can do, and most of all, find out its limitations. Remember, I said they work as a team. So, all concepts in VBA have limitations. To understand the usefulness and limitations of each concept, you must practically implement the concept. Only then you will understand that you cannot solve everything with a single concept. Number 2, because the requirements of an application cannot be compromised, you must find a way to make it work. Otherwise, your program won't work. This also means that your knowledge is tested randomly by the application as you build it. So, how many questions does each application have? I don't know. It depends on the complexity of the application you are building. The questions keep coming until the application is working. Number 4, a real-world application brings unlimited, perfectly linked questions you can never get from any examination board. For this reason, here at Pandit Excel, we prefer that you study this way. It has proven to be very productive. So, are you ready? If you are, let's begin.